Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Factual Point. My name is Muzaffar Sultan, and in this video we will learn basic definitions of parts of speech with simple examples. So let's start. Dear students, classification of word is called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in whole English: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Dear students, if you want to improve your fluency, you will have to learn them carefully. Noun. The name of anything is called noun. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal, or things, such as a boy, an apple, a table, a restaurant, a car. Pronoun. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. When we don't want to repeat a word again and again, then we use a pronoun. Some pronouns are he, she, it, you, we, and they, etc. Adjective. The adjective is a word that describes a person, a place, or thing. In other words, it tells us about the color, age, merit, or demerit of a thing. There are some adjectives as red, old, beautiful, and ugly are all adjectives. Verb. A verb is the main part of a sentence. It shows the time of an action or event. These are some verbs: go, eat, and write, etc. Adverb. The adverb is used to modify a verb, adjectives, and even an adverb. Here are some examples of adverb: very, sometimes, carefully, or some adverbs. Preposition. A preposition lets us know about the position of a thing. It tells us about the specific place where thing exists. On, into, up, down are preposition that shows the specific place of a thing. Conjunction. Conjunction is also called a joining word that joins two words or two sentences together. And, or, for are some conjunction words. Interjection. Interjections are words used to express strong feelings or sudden emotions. They are included in a sentence, usually at the start, to express a sentiment such as surprise, disgust, joy, excitement, or enthusiasm. Here are some common interjections: wow, oh, hurrah, oops, ouch, hey. These all are interjections. Dear students, in this video we have learned basic parts of speech. From next videos, we will learn subtypes of these parts of speech. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for your time. Allah Hafiz.